Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can close a position in MetaTrader 4, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the MetaTrader 4 app, and once you open it you'll be able to see the interface on in the screen where you can see trade option at bottom. Just tap over there and you'll be redirected to the another section where you can see I have taken lots of positions already before. So let's say I want to close the first one, which is AUDCAD on the screen. So once you tap on it you'll be able to see the details, and what you can do is you simply need to slide this to the left and you'll be able to see the check mark. So once you tap that icon you'll be able to see the close with loss option, and yeah, once you tap on it you'll be able to close the position successfully. For now the market is closed, that's why I am unable to close it, but yeah, this is how you can close a position in MetaTrader 4. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.